shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for April 17th. TGIF, what a week it's been. And the SPY, look what the SPY has done this morning. Yeah, I was waiting all week for it to go up and hit that 50 simple moving average right here on the head. But guess what? It just gapped above it today. So we're going to use that as a level. Yeah, are we going to be gap and go higher to the top of this channel? Possibility, 290. Or are we going to go below this 285 level and fill in the gap? So that's what the whisper is based on today. So bullish above 287.50 for the gap and go to the top of the channel, or bearish below 285 for the retracement gap fill. So retracement means we're going against the trend, okay, but coming down to support. That's when I put retracement. There are smaller trades. Don't like to go against the trend, but for day trading, there's so many great shorter retracement trades. So let's go to the E-minis. Pretty similar as well. And we're going to be bullish above 28.80, bearish below 28.49. IWM, big level yesterday, 117.75. Actually, dark pool, we are above that. And we are going to be bullish above 123.75. And we are going to be bearish below 122 for the Russell for a retracement to the 4 EMA or gap fill trade. Let's go to the Qs. We're going to be bullish above 218.50 for a gap and go higher, or we're going to retrace down this morning, bearish below 216.25. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures, we're going to be bullish above 89.55 and bear below 88.50. Yeah, for the NASDAQ futures, yeah, watching these moving averages here, so that's why I picked those levels for a retracement, possibly down there. We'll see. Let's go to the Dow futures. Yeah, I like the chart on this. We're going to be bullish above 24,250. And we're going to be bearish below 24,050. And let's go to the gold futures. Yeah, really interesting on the gold futures. Let me just show you that weekly chart first. All right, we are up thrusting this trend line. It's Friday. So the candle doesn't close until the end of the day. But if it closed just like this would be a bearish up thrust. Yeah, it would really have to pull itself up today and close above this trend line. Yep, so always pay attention to that weekly candle. We came down to support here. What was once resistance back here in March, right, is now support. If we don't hold it, we'll most likely come down to this 1650 level, possibly next week. So in the bigger picture, right, this 1700 is so key, bearish below that. And in the bigger picture, bullish above 1750 moving forward. Yeah, we can kind of go like this all we want for a while, but we really need to push above 1750 or below 1700 to come down to 1650. That'll be a key level moving forward. If we don't hold that, then we'll most likely come down here. So these are key levels in the bigger picture for gold. Let's go to the smaller picture. Zoom in on the 5-minute, go to those pivots. We're going to be bullish above 1726. I'm looking at the pre-market volume from this morning, and bear below 1695, right? So I called out that 1700, but today we do have an S2 level right there at 1696. So that's why I picked that to go bear below. We would most likely hit here, bounce, and then if we can't hold that, look out below. All right, so those are your gold levels. Put this back up here. Let's go to individual stocks. We're going to do Bank of America. Joel G, help me map this out. Thank you, Joel. We're going to be bullish above 23 today. Bear below 22.36 for Bank of America. We got Wells Fargo. Thank you, Bad Boy, for helping me map this out this morning. Bullish above 29.50. It's still weak. Wells Fargo's the weaker of all the banks. Still below the 8 right now. So we'll be bear below 28.50, which we really just went. We're testing it. Testing it right now. So watch that level. After the first 10 minutes, the market is opened. Yeah, remember, the first 10, 15 minutes, don't trade. Don't enter a new trade. That is the shakeout period. If you're swing trading, oh, absolutely take your profits into that. But for day trading, trust me, 90% of the time you'll be happy you waited. There's going to be 10% that, oh, if I would have entered the first 10 minutes, I would have made money. But what about the 90% you would have lost? It's all about odds, okay? Tesla, bullish above 790, bear below 769. Thanks, Paul, always for helping me map that one out. PG had earnings, so we're going to be bullish above 125. Spotted some sellers, so that's why I picked that level. Bearish below 121.25 for that. Apple, let's go to Apple. All right, Apple, we're going to be bullish above 290, really key level, and bear below 287.50, and we just dipped below that, by the way. Let's go to Microsoft. Powerful move by Mr. Softy. We're going to be bullish above 182.50. That would be gap and go. Excuse me. Let's grab some water. And we're going to be bearish below 180 for Microsoft. All right, AMD, crazy mover yesterday. Today we're going to be bullish above 59 and bear below 58 for AMD. GLD, we hit that top trend line. See that? Crazy. Gotta love trend lines. Yeah, they're so powerful. It's a technical market. Yeah, we upthrusted. Yep. It's all about the body of the candle. The body of the candle has to close above that trend line to be bullish. So you can see we didn't. We had 2 doji indecision candles in a row, and today we dropped down. So we do have a smaller upward like retracement trade. We have this gap. So we might go above 159.50 and move up and maybe fill that gap in before moving lower again. So that's my bull levels. Bearish below 158. If we don't do that and we start to turn down, bear below 158 for GLD. Let's go to Boeing. We had 2 big prints yesterday. I posted that out. It's really important. Don't trade the first day the prints come out. There's always a splash. Wait until the next day or two. Trust me, it's going to save you a lot of money. And then if we're above the prints, it's bullish. Below it, we're bearish. Okay, it's the big tip of the year for you guys. So today we're going to be bullish above, oops, we already moved, 147.50, and we hit almost all my targets. Yeah, 149.75, 3/4. Yeah, the last eighth is the most expensive eighth in the whole or the quarter, right? So you always want to get out before a big level like 150. But moving forward, we'll be bullish above, let's see where that 30 moving average is. So this is really key. This green trend line, simple 30. Yeah, there's going to be computers loaded to sell there. So moving forward today, if we can bust the move above that, you can see there's a lot of room. My first trade today was really the trade set up to it, which just hit pretty much. But the next trade is the bigger trade. If we can go above and stay above 150, there's a lot of room above to go. All right, let's go to the next one. Ford. Ford, bullish above 525. We had a 2.7 million print the other day, right? And it splashed, and now it's moving. So I love it. I love this. 587, big level. If we do go below 495, we go down below the print, I will turn bearish again once on Ford. And then let's go to GDX. So we have been really monitoring this one. We've had A big sell level at 31. And we had some more sell prints there yesterday. We've literally seen them selling on the ECN book in the Java pit, which was so cool the other day. And they're still doing it. So that is really the key. We need to close above 31 for me to become bullish again on the miners. It's as easy as that. No thinking, okay? Bear below 29.50 today for a move down. And that's it, you guys. Those are your whispers. April 17th, 2020. Have a nice weekend. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.